welcome to my second unboxing video. I want to say it's been a minute since I last did my unboxing video. Today we're doing a very big unboxing. Way more money I spent. So what I got today was a Sony ZV1 double I, and I want to show you guys this. I was just gonna open the box and get straight to the point without making a video, but I'm like, since the last video did amazing, I just decided I want to do my second unboxing video. So yeah, man, let's just get straight to the point. The bubble wrap. Alright, so before we get into this, I'm gonna tell you how much I paid. That because this is not just the camera. This is coming in a tripod, the batteries. Like I bought this like in like a bundle. It was a good deal. So I got this on Amazon for a total of $882. And original price is $824, but due to tax, $50-$60 tax, they're gonna add on to it. So yeah. So we're gonna show you the first thing. First, we got the HDMI cable right here. The HDMI cable. We got the what is this? This is a battery charger for the battery for the camera. We're gonna put this to the side. This is like how do I explain? Like a camera backpack where you can just put your things inside. Just keep your camera safe. And put this to the side. We got the this is like the disc card or the capture card. It has 64 gigs in it. I don't exactly know what this is, but this looks like a cleaning kit. Yeah, this is a care kit to like take care of, your devices or whatever. It has like an air blower. This is for cleaning tripod. They have cleaning cloth, cotton swabs, screen protectors for this. It's pretty good. Comes in a pretty good package. This is the USB, so we could take out the whatever capture we take out, either a photo or video. Oh, this is the camera battery right here. We got the camera battery. Oh, this is the light. The light, I guess if I don't have no lighting, whatever, I could just connect it to the camera and just turn on the light. This is the light right here. I don't entirely know what this is, but we're just gonna toss it onto the side. Now we got the tripod, or we can, just vlog, whatever, turn the camera, whatever. It's a pretty good tripod right here. Finally, we have the digital camera. These are the waivers or whatever. Oh my god. Hold on, let me give you guys a closer view of what this looked like. Like, take a look at this. This is amazing. So far, everything looks great so far. I don't know what to say, and we also got the sound thing, like the little, what is it? This thing, y'all know what this is. It's for the camera, for the audio. And for the total, for $882 for everything in total, that is an amazing price. And I totally recommend you guys to get this. But the camera, if you were to get the camera itself, it'll cost about $799 to $899, whichever one, depending on where you get it from. I don't know how the camera quality works or anything like that. I'm gonna test that out in the next video. But so far, the way everything came out of it, the way they delivered it to me, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And I'll put the link down in the description if that's what you want to buy the camera, because it only came down to a total of $882 for all of these items. This is a steal. Literally, if you're not trying to pay that much money for, because this single camera alone costs about $700 to $800. And I got mine in the whole care package for only 882. Like, if you guys want me to do another video where I test quality the camera, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. But I will do a part 2 in this video if you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share for more. And yeah, man, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to punch the like button. Don't forget to do all that. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everything. You know, J Squad, we're back. You know, we're back, and we're stronger. You know, and I upgraded to a new camera because that's how passionate I am when it comes to content creation. And yeah, so you know, hey, we're gonna go.